Hello guys, this is the Ghost Rider. Today I already expected GBPJPY, really amazing setups. But personally, I didn't see any confirmations. Technically, I didn't see any confirmations. Fundamentally, it's okay. GBPJPY bang rate 0.25. That's why market will buy because there is very good imbalance is there. That's why I looking for buy, but because I didn't see any confirming market thing, so many liquidities hunting the pocket of money. That's why market we can check a lot of accumulations. I didn't see any confirmations here. That's why just I leave this trade. I already predicted. You can check our Telegram channel. If you want more details, I predicted my outlook our Telegram channel. Okay, if you want more details, then join with our free Telegram channel, guys. To be honest, we will trade together, earn together. Very nice, yeah. So now, yeah, already we got a very nice sell on Mr. 2R. After that, I try to catch this buy. Fortunately, we missed that few pips. At the same time, yeah, I'm always waiting for the confirmations, guys, because market is a bullish trend. But fundamentally it will buy. Thing is, where is a big imbalance also there. If you are checking in high time frame, like view time frame, you can check. See, you can check day time frame. There is one of the big imbalance here and here. It will buy. The thing is, we need personally, I need a technical confirmation. Then only we will enter that trade, guys. Be patient. Trade will come, then we will jump. As usual, December time, we can mostly traders will avoid big lot size and avoid the trades and this kind of times in December and April time. Yeah, that's why just I'm getting some few trades this kind of period time. Very important things, very important thing this time, guys, to be honest. At the same time, I'm looking for gold's not yet ready to buy now because already we got nice rejections there. That's why we have to wait for market, how is market react, and there's a lot of liquidities downside and a lot of imbalance also downside. That's why we have to wait and with this kind of time, and people's not ready to wait for the trade because this is the thing, guys. This is the main thing, guys. If you are wait for the right trade, if you are the wait for your personal confirmations, we will get a strong confirmation and we can get more money. We can make money. If you are not ready to wait and you never ever wait, you never ever make good money by trade, guys. Yeah, I hope you understand. If you want more details, just join with our premium channel, guys. This is a very important thing. And yeah, there is one, if we can check here, there is one of the imbalance also still pending gold, but but now gold not ready to sell now. We will see how this market react because there is a lot of things are here. I'm always waiting for the LTF confirmations. But I'm looking for sell again gold, but now gold in very big places here. If you check in week chart, gold is in top now, but suddenly anything happen anytime because there's a very big imbalance in 2,517. Just I'm waiting for this area. If it is come, we have to wait this area for the LTF confirmation. And here also there's a very big imbalance also here, but we must care about our trade. Everyone looking for buy, but personally I'm leave this trade this kind of time, guys. Very important thing. Yeah, I love GBPJPY. Always buy trend because you can check in week chart, always bullish trend. That's why we can no worry about it. But there is another zone also here, but already medicated. I feel like medicated. We'll see how this market here. One of the imbalance also here, the high time frame. We'll see. High time frame is HGF high time frame is very important, guys. Euro USD still, I don't know what's going on. Euro USD is still manipulating. Didn't see any confirmations here, but already imbalance also filled here. That's why it will buy. That is one of the small imbalance point of interest also here. Maybe if we take any confirmations here, LTF confirmation low time frame, we can catch this buy year to year. And 34 pips like scalping trade, and there is one more imbalance also here. Impulsive move, impulsive correction. Now it's correcting all the impulsive move and impulsive correction. Yeah, guys. Yeah, we got very nice liquidity hand. That's why market sell technically. Nice. If you want more details, guys, just join with our Telegram channel. Link in descriptions. Yes, to be honest, we will learn together, be together. But looking good, but really amazing trade. But oh my god, because February 20 to till now, market still manipulating, not ready to buy. But we got a very nice confirmation, liquidity hand, and still, but there is one of equal high, equal lows here, equal liquidity. It's very important thing. That's why I'm little bit scared to trade. But already, this is my predictions. Yeah, it's like this. But already move. But anyhow, personally, I'm not comfortable because of December time. We must care about our account balance, guys. To be honest, I'm always telling you, be patient. Trade will come, then we will jump. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Today is my update. I never ever do fake things, guys. Today is my update. If you want more details, you can check my channel, and you can join with my channel. You can check my previous my predictions and my outlooks and analyze. Then you will know about me, guys. So go try the strategy to join with me. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Be patient. Trade will come. We will jump. Don't trade with your emotion. Trade with the plan. Okay, guys, thank you. Bye. Good night.